Hello guys, now let us discuss question 30. The question is the following observations were taken for determining surface tension T of the water by capillary method. The diameter of the capillary D is equal to 1.25 into 10 to the power minus 2 meter. Rise of water is H is equal to 1.45 into 10 to the power minus 2 meter. Using G is equal to 9.80 meter per second square and simplified relation T is equal to R Hg by 2 into 10 to the power 3 Newton per meter. The possible area in the surface tension is closest to option is 0.15%, second 1.5%, third 2.4%, and fourth 10%. So the correct option here is 1.5 is second. The answer is 1.5%, because as we know T is equal to the tension is equal to R G H by 2 into 10 to the power 3 Newton meter, that is given in the question. It's here, and which would be equal to the DHG by 4 into 10 to the power 3 Newton per meter. So now we can say that by given G as a constant that is given to us, and we can take del T, difference in tension, by T tension is equal to del D by D uh, plus del H by H, that is given that D is the diameter, so let's take the big D. So D is the diameter here and H is the rise in water, the height. So by putting the value, we can say that del T by T into 100 is equal to del D by D into 100 plus del H by H into 100. Just multiplying this equation into 100 on both sides, we get this. And after that, we just put the value as we know the value of del T is 0.01 into 10 to the power minus 2, and del and T is 1.25. So just put the value, and after that also that as we know that it's sorry as we know D is 0.01 del T, the difference, and the D is 1.25, it's given in the question, and also the H del H is 0.01, and the H is H is 1.45 into 10 to the power minus 2. So now by putting these value, we just multiply it, and it is 0.8 into 10 into 0.689, which is 1.489, and approximately 1.5%. So the correct option is